Hello, beautiful souls. Today I am going to read today's message. I have written today's message. These are the today's message, and I am going to read it to you. A message you were meant to hear today. The world moves quickly, but here, in this quiet corner of time, you are invited to slow down. Welcome back to the Gentle Oracle, a space where your spirit can breathe and your heart can soften. Before we begin, allow yourself a moment to settle. Let your shoulders drop, let your breath deepen, let the noise of the day drift to the edges of your awareness. You are safe here, and you are exactly where you need to be. There is a message that has been trying to reach you, and today it finally has the space to arrive. You may not have realized it, but you have been carrying a question in your heart, a quiet uncertainty, a subtle ache, or perhaps a longing you haven't fully named. It has followed you through your days like a short echo, never loud enough to demand your attention, but persistent enough that you feel its presence. The universe has felt it too, and it wants you to know that your inner world is not invisible. Your silent struggles, your unspoken hopes, your private fears, they are all seen, held, and understood. You are entering a period of alignment, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Life has a way of rearranging itself long before we notice the shift. What seems like stagnation is often quite a preparation. What feels like delay is sometimes divine timing. You have been doing more work than you realize, not just in your actions, but in your restlessness, your patience, and your willingness to keep moving when path is even when path felt unclear. Every moment you choose compassion over frustration. Every moment you choose compassion over frustration. Every time you breathe through discomfort instead of running from it, you are planting seeds. And beneath the surface of your life, those seeds have begun to stir. The universe is preparing to open a door for you. You may come it may come as a conversation, an opportunity, a sudden realization, or a gentle nudge that shifts your direction. It may be subtle at first, but almost easy to overlook. But it will grow louder, clearer, and more undeniable. You are being guided towards something that aligns with who you are becoming, not who you used to be. Trust that the unfolding is already in motion, even if you cannot see its shape. But before this shift fully arrives, you are being asked to release one thing, the belief that you must carry everything alone. You have been strong for so long that you have forgotten strength can also mean allowing yourself to rest. You don't need to hold yourself together every moment of every day. You don't need to pretend you are fine when your spirit is tired. There is no weakness in needing support. There is no shame in asking for help. There is profound wisdom in knowing when to soften. Take a slow, deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine letting go of one small piece of the weight you have been holding. You don't have to release You don't have to release everything at once. Healing is not performance. Growth is not race. You are allowed to move gently. You are allowed to take your time. You are allowed to be human. The universe wants you to remember that you are not behind. You are not late. You are not lost. You are simply in a chapter that requires patience and presence. Sometimes most important transformations happens in quiet moments, the one where nothing seems to be happening at all. Trust that your life is not stagnant. It is ripening. Trust that your efforts are not unnoticed. They are accumulating. Trust that your heart is not misguided. It is learning to listen more deeply. There is a softness returning to you, a clarity forming, a strength rebuilding itself in a quieter, steadier way. You are becoming someone who can hold their own truth without fear, someone who can walk forward without needing every answer in advance. You are learning to trust your intuition, your timing, and your unfolding, and that is a powerful thing. As you move through the rest of your day, carry this message with you. You are supported, you are guided, and you are walking this path alone. The universe is not asking you to be perfect, only present. Not fearless, only willingness. Not breakable, but open. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If this message found you at the right time, trust that it was meant to. You are growing in ways you cannot yet see, and the next chapter of your journey is already on its way. Until we meet again, may you move gently, breathe deeply, and trust the quiet wisdom within you. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me for so long. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that this channel, these messages can reach to more people. Thank you very much.